Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can restore all tabs in Microsoft Edge step by step. Sometimes, you may have 3 to 4 or even more tabs open in Microsoft Edge and accidentally close the entire browser window. This can be frustrating, especially if you are working on something important. But don't worry, there's an easy way to restore all your tabs. First, open Microsoft Edge again from your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser opens, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the 3 dots menu. This will open a drop-down menu with different options. From this menu, click on History. In the History section, you will see a list of recently visited pages and closed tabs. Now look for the option called Recently Closed. Here, you will find your last browsing session. Click on Last Session, and as soon as you do that, all the tabs that were open before closing the browser will be restored automatically. This method is very helpful when you accidentally close your browser or lose your session. It saves time and helps you continue your work without starting over. And that's it. You have successfully restored all your tabs in Microsoft Edge. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.